Welcome to our English for Beginners series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of verbs. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in using beginner-friendly verbs, giving you the confidence to start forming sentences and expressing yourself like a pro. Let's start.
B. I am a boy. Are you hungry? She isn't asleep. He is in the kitchen. Have. I have a car. Do you have a dog? We don't have any money. She has a turtle. Do. I do my homework every day. Does she do the dishes every day? They don't do the laundry on Sunday. He does the cooking in the kitchen. Go. She goes to the park. Do you go to school? They don't go to work. I go to bed at 9. Come. Will you come to my party? She comes home at 4. He can't come today. He's sick. I come from the USA. See. I see a rainbow. Can you see me? What do you see? She can't see her pen. Eat. She eats cereal for breakfast. Do you like to eat fish? She doesn't like to eat vegetables. What does he like to eat? Drink. I drink milk every day. Do you drink coffee? She doesn't drink tea. What do they like to drink? Sleep. I sleep at night. How long does he sleep? The baby sleeps 12 hours a day. Dad is sleeping. Read. I read books in the library. Do you like to read? She reads a lot. Can he read?
Did you enjoy today's lesson? Please like, subscribe, and share our videos to help us grow. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you again and see you in part 2.